Welcome. If you want to customize your always on display in Samsung Galaxy A52s, at the first go for the settings, find lock screen and go for the always on display. As you can see, at the first we can change the time when you show that on the screen. Currently it's around the top to show for the 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds it will disappear. Let's set it up to show always. When you go below, we can also change clock style, so we get the different default themes. We can change color of the captions. We can choose the different themes, as I said, but we can also go here where we can find GIFs, and also we can choose our own picture. But I'm going for the traditional clock style for digital clock, or maybe analog clock, this one, with this kind of the captions. Click down to confirm. Here we can also show music information on the screen, change screen orientation between portrait and landscape, and turn on or turn off auto brightness. Take a look right now. As you can see, our always on display has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.